Welcome to the beautiful valley of Loch Nafui, just above the village of Finny. What we have here is not only one of the most beautiful textbook glacially carved U-shaped valleys in Ireland, but we also have, delivered in the rock, the record of an ancient volcanic eruption linked with the closure of the ocean Iapetus that separated Ireland in two. This was associated with subduction, a term associated with tectonic plates moving one below the other, and the volcanic eruption is clearly seen in the rocks down below. Here we are beside the river Finny at the base of our rock formation. The eruption not only brought the lava on the surface, but also large bits of other rocks, and it cooled all together to form this beautiful breccia. It's a type of rock formation where we have large pieces of other rocks inside of it. This jigsaw is particularly impressive right here. And right here we can get up and close and personal with these beautiful volcanic rocks that erupted on the seafloor close to 500 million years ago. At the start of the Ordovician period, we know they erupted at the bottom of the ocean because of those beautiful shapes that we can see right here, called pillows. Pillow basalt is the name of these rocks. We can also see these little holes on the side of those pillows that indicate the gas that was inside the lava, that is, was cooling down and forming those rock formation 490 million years ago.